Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these marshmallow ghosts. So let's begin. To get started on today's recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a small to medium sized pan, and into that place all of your sugar followed by the liquid glucose, then the water, and give everything a good mix together until it's roughly fully combined. It doesn't need to be fully combined as you'll be placing this on the hob and it'll melt together. While that's on the hob, you can go ahead and prepare your gelatin. So just take a small bowl and place in some cold water and place in your gelatin leaves and leave them to soak until they are softened. While you allow that to do its thing, grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in the egg whites. Really simply, place on a high speed and whisk until stiff peaks. This doesn't take very long, but you do want to keep your eye on the mixture as you don't want to over whisk at this stage, otherwise it will ruin the marshmallow later on. Once you've achieved that, your sugar mixture should be up to boil, so simply pour that into the marshmallow on a low speed to start with, then crank the speed up to a high and just whisk until the bowl is cold to the touch, or cooler at least. Then you can take your gelatin and separate it from the water, squeezing as much out as possible, placing in with the vanilla and melting until it's a liquid. Then you can go ahead and add this straight to your marshmallow mix, mixing on a high speed until it's all fully incorporated. You're just looking for that extract and gelatin to be worked in fully. Then take a lined 9 by 9 inch square baking pan lined with some cling film and just spread and level out the marshmallow as best as you possibly can. It doesn't need to be perfect, but the smoother you get it, the easier it will be to work with. Don't forget to cover the top with cling film, ensuring that it's touching the marshmallow completely. Then leave in the fridge for around 8 hours or until it's firm. Then once it's ready, you can go ahead and remove the cling film that was on top and remove it from the tin or tray that you're using, and then place onto another piece of cling film and just take off the cling film that was on it in the pan. And as you can tell, it peels away really easily. It's not too gelatinous, so don't worry, it should be perfect. Dip your cookie cutter into some of the cornstarch and icing sugar mix and just go ahead and start to make your cutouts. You can do them all in one go or one at a time, it really depends on you. So here is what it looks like. You don't have to do a ghost, you could do other shapes, but I'm just showing you how to make the marshmallow ghost. I like to insert the stick now and then just dip and coat each of the marshmallow ghosts in the white powder, which is just a mixture of cornstarch and icing sugar, and will help preserve it. And there you go, it's really that simple. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.